Namaste and welcome to Topper's Choice. I'm your host Anil Singh. Today we are going to explore one of the most versatile and commonly used phrasal verbs in English. In this video we will learn 25 essential phrasal verbs using go in sentences along with their Hindi meanings. Whether you are a student, a professional or just an English beginner, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started and master these phrasal verbs to take your English to the next level. Go से बने phrasal verbs इस वीडियो में हम लोग कवर करने जा रहे हैं लगभग 25 phrasal verbs जो कि go verb से बने हैं. तो चलिए without any delay let's start the video. The first phrasal verb is go up. Go up means ऊपर जाना. The elevator will go up to the 10th floor. The elevator will go up to the 10th floor. Lift 10वीं मंजिल तक जाएगी. Today's second phrasal verb is go in. अंदर जाना. Please go in. The meeting is about to start. Please go in. The meeting is about to start. कृपया अंदर आए. मीटिंग शुरू होने वाली है. Next phrasal verb is go down. Go down means गिर जाना. The price will go down during the sale. The price will go down during the sale. बिक्री के दौरान कीमत नीचे गिर जाएगी. Next phrasal verb is go out. Go out means बाहर जाना. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight. चलो आज डिनर के लिए बाहर चलते हैं. Next phrasal verb is go on. Go on means जारी रखना. Please go on with your presentation. Please go on with your presentation. कृपया अपनी प्रस्तुति जारी रखें. Go through गुजरना. I am going through a tough time right now. I am going through a tough time right now. मैं अभी एक कठिन समय से गुजर रहा हूँ. Next phrasal verb is go by. गुजर जाना. Time goes by quickly when you are having fun. Time goes by quickly when you are having fun. जब आप मजे में होते हैं तो समय जल्दी गुजर जाता है. Next phrasal verb is go off. बंद हो जाना. The alarm will go off at 5 a.m. The alarm will go off at 5 a.m. अलार्म 5 बजे बंद हो जाएगा. Next phrasal verb is go for. Go for means चुनना. I am going to go for the red shirt. I am going to go for the red shirt. मैं लाल वाली शर्ट चुनूंगा. Go with साथ जाना. I'll go with the flow. I'll go with the flow. मैं बहाव के साथ जाऊंगा. Go against विरुद्ध जाना. I'm going against my instincts on this one. I'm going against my instincts on this one. मैं इस मामले में अपनी प्रकृति के विरुद्ध जा रहा हूँ. go ahead, आगे बढ़ना. You can go ahead and start the business. You can go ahead and start the business. आप व्यापार शुरू करने के लिए आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. Go back, वापस जाना. I need go back my car. I need go back my car. मुझे अपनी कार से वापस जाना है. Go on foot, पैदल जाना. We can go on foot to the nearby park. We can go on foot to the nearby park. हम पास के पार्क के लिए पैदल जा सकते हैं. Go around, घूमना. Let's go around the city and explore. Let's go around the city and explore. चलो शहर के चारों ओर घूमें और अन्वेषण करें. Go beyond, आगे निकलना. The company will go beyond its limits to achieve success. The company will go beyond its limit to achieve success. कंपनी सफलता प्राप्त करने के लिए अपनी सीमाओं से आगे निकलेगी. Go astray, रास्ता भटकना. The hikers went astray in the woods and got lost. The hikers went astray in the woods and got lost. हाइकिंग करने वाले लोग जंगल में रास्ता भटक गए और खो गए. Go by the book, नियमों का पालन करना. The teacher will go by the book and follow the curriculum. The teacher will go by the book and follow the curriculum. शिक्षक नियमों का पालन करेंगे और पाठ्यक्रम का अनुसरण करेंगे. Go down fighting, लड़ते हुए हारना. The team will go by fighting and give their best performance. The team will go by fighting and give their best performance. टीम लड़ते हुए हारेगी और अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन करेगी. Go down in history, इतिहास में दर्ज होना. The event will go down in history as one of the most significant moments. The event will go down in history as one of the most significant moments. यह घटना इतिहास में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण क्षणों में से एक के रूप में दर्ज होगी. Go down the drain, बर्बाद होना. All our efforts will go down the drain if we don't get funding. All our efforts will go down the drain if we don't get funding. यदि हमें धन नहीं मिलता है तो हमारे सभी प्रयास बर्बाद हो जाएंगे. Go easy on, नरमी से पेश आना. Please go easy on me. Please go easy on me. कृपया मुझसे नरमी से पेश आइए. Go flat out, पूरी ताकत से जाना. The team go flat out to win the championship. The team go flat out to win the championship. टीम चैंपियनशिप जीतने के लिए पूरी ताकत से जाएगी. Go for broke, सब कुछ दांव पर लगाना. I am going to broke and investing to all my savings in the business. I am going to broke and investing to all my savings in the business. मैं सब कुछ दांव पर लगा रहा हूँ और अपनी सारी बचत व्यवसाय में निवेश कर रहा हूँ. Go from bad to worse, बद से बदतर होना. The situation has gone from bad to worse since the accident. The situation has gone from bad to worse since the accident. दुर्घटना के बाद स्थिति बद से बदतर हो गई है. Go haywire, अस्त व्यस्त होना. The computer system has gone haywire and needs to reboot it. The computer system has gone haywire and needs to reboot it. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम अस्त व्यस्त हो गया है और इसे रीबूट करने की आवश्यकता है. Thanks for watching. Please like the video.